Okay, so there is a new video on how to place your title block. How to place your title block when you are starting a new drawing. So first of all, so we want to place our title block and border lines on a new work area. So you just come here, then you click here, then you click on start, then you choose new. So a new work area will appear. So we are going to insert our saved title block and border lines in the new area. So before we proceed, we just have to draw a diagram or any drawings. So let me make some small drawings here. All right, so let's take this as our main drawing or our assignment or our work. So you just come to layout. You can't insert your title block here. So you come to layout. You left click on layout. So you see your drawn diagram here. So what you have to do is that you select the outline or the outings of your grid lines. Then you click on delete. So what you have to do is that you right click on the layout. Then you choose page setup manager. Select modify from this pop-up menu. So you come to print or plotter. Then you click on none where they've written none. So you click on it. Then you select Microsoft Print to PDF. You click on it. When you come to paper size, click on it. Then choose A3. So first of all, what you have to take note is that you come to your plot scale, this area. Then make sure your scale you place or you set your scale to the given scale that has been given to you in your work. So let's make sure that the scale is 1:1 because that was what was given in our assignment. Or you can change it if it has been changed for you. All right, so after that, after checking your scale, then you come to the drawing orientation. You come to your drawing orientation, then you choose landscape. Landscape is what you must choose or you must select. So you click on OK, then click on close. So now you have set our paper to A3 sheet. So what you have to do is that we come to insert. You click on insert, come to recent block, then you click on your saved borderline and title block. Then you close this pop-up menu. So we want to place this diagram on the A3 sheet. So what you have to do is that you place on it carefully. You make sure that it will not extend to the outside of this black background or ash background. So you place it in the middle. You make sure that it's on it carefully. Like this. Then you left click. So now we've inserted our border lines and title blocks. So we are good to go. So we want to insert our drawing or our work, the work that we've done. Okay, so what's next is that there is a layout behind this. There's a layout here. So okay. So you click on layout, this layout, not the one down here, but you click on this layout, then you select it. So after that, okay, so after clicking on the layout, after clicking on the layout, what you have to do is that you come to the layout viewport area, then you click on rectangular. So you click on this rectangular, make sure it has been selected. Then you come to this inner rectangle, or the inner of your borderlines and title block. Okay, so you left click on it, then you drag it, to this point, then you left click on it. So you see that your drawing has been pasted here. So what you have to do next is that we want to clear these grid lines from it. So you come here, you come this area, then you click on the paper, then you choose this. So this is the grid lines. So you select the grid lines, you choose it to off it. So you see that the grid lines has been cleared off from your diagram. So you can zoom in and out, you can adjust it to the middle, you can move it, then place it where you want it to, place it. So this is how it will look like. So after that, we want to deactivate the movement of your diagram. So you just come to the outside of your diagram, you left click, then you double click. So now you can zoom in into your work. So this is how it works. All right. Okay, so the last thing we have to do is that we want to place it, we want to place in our information. So what you have to do is you come to home, the home ribbon, you click on the home ribbon here, then you come to text, you click on text, then you choose single line. So what you have to do is that you click in the box or the area that you want to insert your information. So you click here, then you choose the height 3, then you choose the enter 0, then enter. So you can see that you can type in your information as we did in 3D. So that's how it works. Yeah, so this is how it works. Okay, so that's all.